Hey friends, if you encounter the error where virus has changed all file extensions on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove the virus. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Scan option, select Full Scan and click on Scan Now and wait for it to completely scan your system and remove the viruses. Now this is important, but here's the thing. As for the second solution, people are suggesting that go and reset your settings and go and reset the default settings for the extensions, etc. I say that when your system is infected by a virus, you cannot be sure of what all has been damaged in total. So in this case, I guess that the best option after this is to perform a cloud reset on your computer. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.